In today's video, I'll show you how to share a personal view in Dynamics 365. Sharing views is a great way to collaborate with your team and streamline workflows. Start by opening Dynamics 365 and navigate to the relevant module, whether it's Accounts, Contacts, or another area. Next, locate the View drop-down menu and click on Manage and Share Views. This menu shows all the views you've created and lets you control who can access them. Find the personal view you want to share, then click the three dots next to it. From the options, select Share. A new window will open where you can configure access. Use the search bar to add users or teams you want to share the view with. You can add multiple users or entire teams to maximize collaboration. Remember to set the proper permissions. Decide whether users should only view the data or if they can also edit or share it further. Once everything is configured, click Share, and your personal view is now accessible to your team. And that's it. Sharing personal views in Dynamics 365 helps your team stay productive and ensures everyone has the information they need.